Are your WhatsApp calls failing and dropping before they even connect? Here's how to fix it on both iPhone and Android. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix call fail on your WhatsApp. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first way is to do a quick network refresh. And the fastest and easiest way to do so is to use the airplane mode. Let me show you how. Swipe down from the top of your phone to access the control center. Toggle the option for airplane mode by tapping on the icon here. Wait for a few seconds, then tap the icon again. You will see your phone's signal strength reset and your Wi-Fi as well. Make sure you have a signal strength of at least 2 to 3 bars for a good mobile connection to be able to make any calls. Try to see now if you can make a call. Next, make sure you have an active mobile service connection. So to check this, go to your settings and tap on mobile service or cellular. Toggle the option off for mobile data. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it on again. Swipe down from the top of your screen and you should see the name of your active mobile service carrier here. Try to see if you can make a call now. If it still does not work, try to reset your network settings. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Do take note that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it will not delete your personal data. Enter your passcode to reset your network settings and try making a call now to see if it works. Lastly, if all else fails, do a forced restart of your phone. On the left, press the volume up button, volume down button, and on the right, press and hold the power button until the screen goes off. Wait for the Apple logo to come back on, then go to your WhatsApp again to see if it's working. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and